Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy shrimp korma. First, ensure your shrimp are peeled and deveined. Next, finely chop your onion, garlic, and ginger. Measure out your yogurt and coconut milk. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother. This simple preparation ensures a quick and delicious meal. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook until it's soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of korma paste, stirring well to combine all the flavors. Next, add your prepared shrimp to the pan and cook for about 2 minutes, just until they start to turn pink. Then, pour in the plain yogurt and coconut milk, stirring gently to create a creamy sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the shrimp are fully cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly. To finish, garnish your delicious shrimp korma with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, fresh flavor. Serve it immediately with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a complete and satisfying meal. This easy method brings authentic flavors to your table quickly. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade korma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.